As the NBA playoffs draw near, the San Antonio Spurs tied the Golden State Warriors for the NBA's best record. The team made a season-high 16 three-pointers in their win over the Hawks on Monday, despite also having a season-high 23 turnovers. Now, both the Spurs and the Warriors have an identical record of 52-14, with San Antonio owning the head-to-head tiebreaker. While the two teams met on Saturday, it was anything but the thrilling matchup fans anticipated. Steve Kerr rested 4 players, including Steph Curry and Klay Thompson, while the Spurs dealt with a number of players out to injury. They meet again on March 29th before the real test begins.